How to add a grid to video in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Go to the Effects panel, click on Effects, and drag an adjustment clip above your videos in timeline, and adjust its duration to match your video. Now click on Open FX and search for Grid. Drag and drop Grid into the adjustment clip. Select the adjustment clip, open up Inspector panel, and click on Effects tab. Here you can change the number of horizontal and vertical cells and the distance between bigger lines. Here, I set major line spacing to 0 to remove the bigger lines. Also, you can change the color and size of the lines. Under Global Blend, decrease blend to create thinner lines. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.